Vincenzo's Go Crypto Investing, and you can see we have some exciting news this morning as the crypto market has went into the deep abyss and had a nice retracement as the dollar opened up on fire last night as we got into late evening into the overnight hours. It's up about 0.5%, and it's back to 106.144, right? And you can see we've had a nice little rally on the 50-day moving average in the daily time frame, and that has led to the equity markets and pre-market primarily down. You can see not that much down, but 0.5% to 1% down. And the crypto market has actually been hit the most on the biggest reversal, not hit as in going bankrupt or anything, or a massive collapse happening today, but a pretty good retracement off of what we were looking at yesterday and the day before. And we'll go over that right now. You can see in the daily time frame, the Bitcoin price is still up here, but it looks like you're getting, you can see this candle that just flashed red, the current daily. It had a big wick to the upside and now a lot of selling. And if we zoom in to the hour time frame, you can see we're actually right on the 200-day moving average. And this is the critical area we've been talking about, that it needs to hold above or it's bearish and it would trade down towards this lower support, right? And that's what we're looking at right now. And you can see that's at the 24,200 level. And it's actually in the hour time frame doing something that we were warning about. See how it came through? See this? It came, see how it came through? And then it came back up and hit it. Now it's getting rejected. If it breaches this, and here we go with a barrage of shit coming up at the top. If it breaches this and now rejects off of it, notice how we had these little green candles there and got rejected. You're going to trade fast and hard down to that underneath support, and we're going to pay close attention because this could be a bearish confirmation. And if it indeed is, that's going to be a pretty big reversal, as it is already. Last night we were up there. You can see we're down about 3% from its high. That's a pretty substantial move from the price action, the direction it's been going. So we're going to have to watch critically for this, how this reacts right here early this morning. Does it trade down to that 21,683, or does it get a nice bounce and make another high up here and try to breach this again? That's what we're watching. You can see Ethereum got harshly rejected and is now sitting at the 200-day moving average. And this again, if this holds the 200-day, it could bounce all the way back up to 2169. But if it fails the 200, it's coming right back down to the 1669. And then if we look at Dogecoin, got very harshly rejected, something that I thought was going to happen yesterday. If you watched the video from last night with that big wick we were talking about, and we said it probably has to come back down to the 200-day and maybe even all the way down to that 6 3/4 cents to back test. So this 200 days is going to be a critical to see if it holds or if it's going to come down to this underneath support. And the same thing with XRP. You can see XRP did have this bearish confirmation, and it had a little bit of a run up here, but it's dipped below the 200 now in the 45-minute. And if it doesn't get some support in this local area, you're going to run back down into the supply zone at 30 to 32 cents. Like, subscribe, and share to Vincenzo's Go Crypto Investing. Peace and love. Hope you enjoyed this morning update.